Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am pleased to say we have passed 45,000 subscribers. It's quite a milestone, but when I get to 50,000, we will have a celebration. Thank you all everyone who has subscribed, and if you are watching and you did not subscribe, please hit the like button and subscribe. And to all my viewers that's viewing me, I would love to hear all your requests for recipes that you'll want done. Please drop us a comment. Today we are making tikka wings in the air fryer. My ingredients are, I've got 1 kg wings, that's 10 wings cut into halves, so I've got 20 pieces. I bent out all that fine air and I rinsed out, and now I am ready to brine. For my brine, I'm going to use 1 cup of buttermilk, and here I have 2 green chillies which I'm going to split in halves, 8 whole garlic which I'm going to slice, some fresh thyme, and a teaspoon of Dhania powder. And I'm also going to use half of the onions that are diced chunky. I'm going to use a grain of salt and a generous crack of pepper. So I am going to marinate my chicken wings in this airtight container, and I'm going to leave in the fridge, and we will get back to you tomorrow when we will spice and air fry our wings. Firstly, I'm going to give this a nice shake and then pour 1 cup. Throw in my onions. And this 1 teaspoon of dhania powder is my whole dhania seed that are roasted and grind. Just slice my chilies into halves. And I'll also slice my garlic into it. If you like, you can also crush your garlic. A generous crack of pepper. And then a generous grain of salt. I'll give this a good mix. I will put on the lid and allow this to sit in the fridge overnight and get back to you tomorrow. Hi, welcome back. Today is the next day for marinating my chicken wings further with the tikka spice. This is the chicken wings that I had sitting overnight in the fridge in the brine. For the further ingredients to put on is 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of tikka tandoori spice, a teaspoon of paprika for a bright color, a teaspoon of kasuri methi, and the juice of half a lemon. Firstly, I'm going to add in my ginger garlic. Two tablespoons of my tikka tandoori spice. 1 teaspoon of paprika and 1 teaspoon of my kasuri methi. I will cut this lemon. So I'm using the juice of half a lemon. I'll give this a good mix. And thereafter, I'm going to let this rest in the fridge for another half an hour. While my chicken wings are resting in the fridge, I'm going to quickly show you all a nice Dhania dip that will go very well with our chicken wings today. This was a bunch of Dhania and I removed the stems, so I'm using most of the leaves to grind. I have here 7 cloves of garlic. Here I have 2 green chillies. Because this green chillies is so hot and Pranesh can't take the heat, you can also add more green chillies to your taste. I'm using 1 teaspoon of fine salt and half a teaspoon of sugar. And here I've got half cup of yogurt. And I'm also going to use the juice of half the lemon. I'm going to add in my ingredients to my food processor. This was also cleaned and rinsed out thoroughly. I'm starting with half of my dhania. Get this to grind quickly. I will stop the food processor from grinding. Then I'm going to add in more of my dhania. I'm just going to push in my dhania all together. And then I'm going to add in the rest of the ingredients. And in the end, I will add in the juice of my lemon. My dhania is done. I'm just quickly going to add in my lemon. Then I'll give this single spoon. Here you can see how beautiful my dhania is, and it smells so good. I'm going to quickly put it in a Tupperware and then continue with our chicken. 30 minutes has passed, and here's our wings that was resting in the fridge. Chicken wings. And I'm going to put it into my air fryer. I've put in my parchment paper, and to this I'm going to place in my wings. So I have 20 pieces of it. Let's see whether I can place 10 of them. We do use our air fryer a lot. Pranesh like toasting his bread in it. And he also makes a lot of nachos in the air fryer. With our air fryer, we made a good use of our air fryer. I will do this in 2 batches. Here I have 10 of it. I'm just going to slide my air fryer basket in and set it to chicken. It's 180 over 25 minutes, but because it's wings, we will check it after 12 minutes. Now I'm going to press the start button. My chicken wings are done now. We had it cooking for about 30 minutes in total. When it was 12 minutes, we gave it a turn and basted it with some of our buttermilk. We gave it an additional 5 minutes at the end to get nice and brown. Here is my Tikka chicken wings all done and ready to serve. Here's my first batch of my spicy Tikka chicken wings served with some lovely Dhania dip. The Dhania dip will go lovely with our chicken wings, and this invention of the Dhania dip was Pranesh's, and it's quite tita, although using just 2 chillies. My wings are looking so lovely. I know Pranesh will tuck in before the second batch is done. And remember, we also made sticky wings and crispy breaded wings. If you love your chicken wings, give the other 2 recipes a try. This will make a good starter or a side or a good dish for your festive table. I hope you'll give this one a try and enjoy.